Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So this is Diksha Patil here and I would be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. In this video, I'm going to tell you 8 most important things that you should be aware of if you are planning to travel to Thailand. So let's start the video. The first and foremost important thing is visa. You should be aware of the visa policy about Thailand. At the time we went, Thailand was visa free. So we didn't have to follow any procedure for the same. You can definitely check that out on the official website of Thailand and the Indian website as well. That would really help you to follow the documentation and all the procedure. Second one is insurance. If you are traveling to Thailand, you should have your insurance cover and the travel insurance done because you don't know when you would require that. We had to use our insurance, the travel insurance in Thailand at some point, and you can check that out. In this video, I have attached all the details about the worst experience and why we had to use the insurance as well. So you can definitely check insurance plans. There are many insurance plans. I took that from Echo. You can check that out because it was convenient and I got my claim within 1 to 2 hours. The third is food. Guys, you have to carry some Indian food along with you if you are traveling to Thailand because that place only has non-veg, and in non-veg as well it has seafood options mostly. So if you are vegetarian and if you don't eat seafood, you should pack some stuff along with you like the theplas, fafras, ready to eat or ready to make, something like that, because it will definitely help you out. I and my group also did carried some of the stuff along with us like the ready-made noodles, ready-made poha and all those things like that, chocolates, protein bars. I used all these things throughout my trip because there are times we had to skip our lunch, breakfast, dinner, whatever. So we used to rely on all those things. So make sure you carry some food along with you. Fourth is if you are planning to rent a scooter or a bike or a car in the city or in the country like Thailand, you should be aware that in return of that, they will ask you to submit your passport or some amount that would be too high. So make sure to make a wise decision here. We had this option but we skipped and we booked car and van for the purpose because we didn't wanted to submit our passport anywhere because it is very crucial document. So we skipped that thing. So you should definitely think or plan ahead this in advance. Fifth thing is SIM card. If you are going to Thailand, you would require a SIM card. You should have a number that is from Thailand itself. For that, you have to buy a SIM card. I took that SIM card from a brand name True 5G from Thailand itself, and we got a tourist SIM card that has a package and validity for 10 days, so you can look as per your requirement, but don't forget to carry SIM card along with you because you will need it when you are communicating with your friends or family or the cab drivers, or if you want to get your food delivered, you would require a number to contact and connect with people there because your numbers won't work there, so be aware of it. Then sixth is a travel card. You should definitely have a travel card to make the transactions if you are not carrying enough cash because nobody carries a lot of cash nowadays. So for that reason, you should have a internationally acceptable debit card because in Thailand, mostly the economy runs on cash. So they would ask you for cash everywhere, but still, in case you need some amount to be for some transaction to be done and all that stuff, you should have a internationally accepted card there. I had Neo Global debit card. I will attach the link for the same video. You can check this out and I'll also keep it in the description box below. You can check how I used it and the hacks to use it in Thailand. Seventh is the important applications. You should have all the applications installed in your mobile phone If you are planning to visit Thailand, many apps like food apps, taxi apps, rental apps, and ticket booking apps, you should have all that in your mobile phone. I have made a separate video on that. You can definitely check that out. I have attached the link in the description again. You can check that out. It would be really helpful, and be prepared with all these apps because these apps are savior there. Eighth and the most important thing, the dress code. At most of the places in Thailand, you have to follow a specific dress code, especially at temples and the religious places for males and females as well. So make sure you follow that because they don't allow any sort of clothes there. You have to wear something below your knees for the girls, and it should not be sleeveless, it should not be revealing. Make sure you carry stuff like that in your luggage. So that would be helpful for you. And for the boys also, they have limited restriction. You can check that out. That's it from my side. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. I would be happy to answer that. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.